Should be here in a few minutes. I'm still a Suron lover. Just no denying Talaria upgraded quite a bit. Come on, FedEx. Where are you? Where are you? Come on. Just a couple weeks ago, we had a foot of snow. But now, spring is here. It's like 80 degrees today. We're going to unbox that sucker and try it out. Come on, Suron. It's okay. You got to come out and meet your sibling. Is that them? Nope, not a FedEx truck. Are you excited for the Talaria? You don't like them, do you? Even though they're quiet, you don't love them. We are so pumped. Yes, boy. It's here. It's here. How's it going? Yeah, this is my second one. It's like a deja vu.
Yeah.
Different company though. That one's a Suron over there. This is a different company. A little bit upgraded.
Oh, it's not a
No. That's just you should get one.
Does it go as fast as Suron?
This goes faster. New, bigger chain.
The whole blend.
Bigger battery.
That's like the drive unit.
Yep. This is so that's most of it, and then this is your control. So well, they can go in the woods and they're silent, so nobody gets bothered.
This is the foot pegs and the key.
Headset. I think these are wedges for the battery, maybe. I don't know. Toolkit. Number 3. We're number 3.
We're not putting it on.
Woo! Look at the size of those brake rotors. Got some serious braking power. Look at that. It looks like a little baby charger.
I don't even know what the one from the Suron looks like.
It's bigger, way bigger. Oh, that's a front fender.
Like the set thing.
Let's get that headset thing over here. Look at this. To disconnect your brake sensors, that's how easy it is. Look at that. Look at that play.
Oh, look at that play. Crap strap.
All right. The back is free. Brake caliper in. Sam Pilgrim style here. There we go. There's my Talaria mechanic right here.
Yep. Doing all the dirty work.
That's what it's showing on the battery. 80%. Let's hit this. Talaria, yeah. 75%. So it's got a start button here too, so this is different. Ready. It's in sport mode.
I think you hit it.
Let's see. I'm gonna give it a little gas. Ooh. Oh, that's so slow.
Yep, max. 48 miles an hour though. What?
Yeah, no, we gotta change something.
48? That's fast.
Is that what it was saying?
Yeah.
No way that's 48 miles.
Oh, it's
Kilometers.
a kph? Yeah.
Gotta try it. We need to unleash some power, man. It's got nothing. Look.
It's got nothing. Woo! Let me see how weak it is.
We got to figure out how to unleash the power.
Sponsor video.
Potential. Step 1, turn the bike on. Step 2, hold the start button for 6 seconds.
So we're gonna unlock it. I've tried all the start button, brake scenarios, and it's not happening, so it's always a little nerve-wracking cutting a wire on something you just got. Search, it looks like the brown wire, so we're gonna get in there and snip that baby and unlock the beast. I tell you, without it, pretty lame. I think I was doing 18 miles an hour in eco, really had no pep. So got the battery charging, we're at 100% now, and the battery bangs all around in there, so we think we know where the wedges go. They sent some wedges, but there was nothing about where the heck they go.
Oh, this one's shorter.
Not seeing nothing in that one.
Oh, I see it. It's right here. Oh, out of.
That is pretty obvious.
Ching ching.
Here we go. Oh, I can't do it. All right.
Okay.
So we got this one. Gonna go on like this.
Boom.
We got the other wedge in there.
Boom.
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 Let's see. Yeah, there's some pressure.
Oh.
There's some pressure there.
Oh.
You ain't riding it first.
No, I just gotta make sure it doesn't rattle though.
No, hell no. I'm getting first taste of this. Let's see if it worked. Oh, I feel it already. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Now that's what I was expecting. 35, uphill 40, 41. Definitely is what I was looking for. Yes! Bet it needs brakes. And she is fast. Put a helmet on because you're gonna go over 30. I know it.
Going for a test ride.
Yeah, I put some shoes on, put my boots and a helmet on. She has been unlocked. No top speed. You are not dressed properly. All right, but just feel the power. Oh, you better watch it. Don't dig up my lawn either. Wow! You just pulled away from me, huh? That easy? Let me get a head start. Go. No way. I'm full throttle. Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3, all the way. Oh my God. That's killing it. Holy crap. What a difference. Dude, that destroys this. Oh my God, but let's see with my weight on that. Don't worry, Sir Ron, I'm standing up for you, baby. Let's see, you think it's gonna be even or you think I'm gonna smoke you? Huh? You wanna start first? Go. Front wheel off the ground. Not taking a monkey from me though. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Wait a sec. On your mark, get set, go. and it can go a lot faster, I think.
You started the same exact time. It was perfect.
Yep. But it's good with you on that and me on this. We're pretty close. We're pretty even. It's awesome.
Go like
oh my God, that front end just comes right off the ground. We'll go riding tomorrow. We'll get into it. Yes, dude. It's gonna be a sick summer. Oh, oh.